How to check Instagram block list. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Where you see all your feed area. Now, first is you have to make sure you have to block a specific account. So let's just find a random account here to block. So let's say this account you want to block this. So all you have to do is to tap on the three dots on the upper right here and tap on block. Now, here you have to confirm block here. So now it's blocking and just wait for it to load. And now you have successfully blocked that account. So to be able to find or check your Instagram block list, what you have to do is on the bottom part, you'll see five different options, right? Now you have to tap on your profile icon there. And then on the upper right, you'll see three dash lines there. Tap on the three dash lines and go to settings or the gear icon here. And it will lead you here to your settings. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your account. Now, here on your settings. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go to your privacy here, and all you have to do is to tap on the connections here and you'll see blocked accounts. Tap on blocked accounts, and here you'll see all the list of your blocked accounts from both your Instagram and your threads. And basically, if you want to unblock them, just tap on unblock and confirm unblock. And basically that's how you check Instagram block list. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.